Okay, so you've seen those old, wobbly fences. Right, they just don't cut it anymore. That's why we stepped in with this incredible redwood fence build. Seriously, our carpentry crew is amazing at taking out the old and building something that's going to last. We're talking solid foundations here. We mix concrete right into the wood posts to make sure this fence stands strong for years. And the material, pure, gorgeous redwood for the frame. And then we use beautiful redwood boards to finish it off. It's a game changer for any backyard. You know, just look at this transformation. It's not just a fence, it's an upgrade. If you're dreaming of a backyard that's both beautiful and built to last, you absolutely have to get in touch with the Tribe Landscaping. Let us build your dream fence. Seriously, if your backyard is begging for a makeover, you need to talk to the Tribe Landscaping about a fence. I'm telling you, they are absolute wizards. I was so unsure about what kind of fence would even work for my space, you know, but they just get it. They built this incredible fence that fits my backyard perfectly. And it looks so good. It's not just a fence. It's like the missing piece. It totally transformed the whole vibe. Honestly, the quality is just outstanding. They really know their stuff when it comes to making sure it's sturdy and looks amazing. If you're even thinking about getting a fence, do yourself a favor and reach out to the Tribe Landscaping. You won't regret it. Trust me. Go check them out.